Hello everyone, this is my Xiaomi 17 Pro and today I got new software update and the software update version is 3.0.311.0. So now I am download the software update. So as you can see that I am download my software update. So let's install and very soon this smartphone long time review, gaming review and also camera review coming our channel. So make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. So as you guys see that I am successfully done my software update. Right now the smartphone running HyperOS 3.0.311.0. After the update I don't face any major problem on my smartphone. Everything worked perfectly. So if you guys any software update on your Xiaomi 17 Pro as soon as possible update your devices. Okay, that's all about today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be seeing you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.